Hi guys, welcome to Operation Crypto and this new price analysis video on Multivac, which is ticker MTV. We'll take a look at both USDT and the BTC pairings on the Qcoin chart and have a look at what's going on. We've had quite a bit of a drop recently. I mean, we had about, 8 days of red candles in a row, and then we did bounce and we're pushing up. So the last couple of days have been quite good. So we'll take a look at some new key levels, where we could invest and where we could look to either take profit or accumulate. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and let's crack on. So welcome, this video is in partnership with Cointelegraph Markets Pro, Newsquake alerts, Vortex scores, a lot going on within that platform, including a Discord server. So if you want to find out more about that, you'll see a full project review on the front page of my YouTube channel. Right, so jumping into Multivac, this is the daily time frame. I'm using the Qcoin chart. It is the biggest place where it's getting most of the volume there. So two breakouts of that falling wedge. And then we had a bit of a drop in price, didn't we? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 red daily candles in a row. People seem to think it were over, and then bang, look at that. A great daily candle that formed yesterday. And it is continuing today. We're currently at 1.8 cent. And things are looking a lot better than we have. This red line here is still the first key area at 2 cent. I think we've only been above there twice. I think the third time, once we do get above there, we are going to go into creating the all-time highs. But what I want to do is just put a little bit of a bearish scenario on this first and look at the 4-hour time frame and have a look at some potential buys. So if we do drop from this level here, whether that's led by a Bitcoin drop, if it did happen, or just a general price action on Multivac, then we'll have a look at some levels below. So currently, look at that, we've rejected off at 1.86 cent quite a few times. So if you're looking for some buys, what I would do is ladder a few in from 0.0168 all the way down to this golden ratio here at 0.0156. So that's your buy zones there and there. So that's two areas. Well, depending on what you want to put in, you can ladder a few orders in there, maybe 3 to 4 orders within that range. Just keep a little bit tether there, just in case it did drop back down to this and did a full retracement of that entire move. But that's areas I would concentrate on if you're looking for buys on Multivac. Just looking at the moving averages. We've had a bullish cross here on the 4-hour time frame, so that's a potential good sign that we are going to push up. And if we're looking at that on the daily, there we go, they're still quite wide apart, those moving averages. So all in all, things are still looking bullish in terms of moving averages. So that's that covered in terms of buy zones, but we need to have a look at some sell zones, don't we? And I've got this 2 cent region marked up because it's just a key area. It's a nice psychological area where people who have probably bought 1 cent or less are thinking, right, I'm well up over 100%. I'm going to either take profit or just sell and move on. 2 cent is that area, which is the tough one to get through. Once we break above that, we've only had about 5 daily candles above that trading area. And I think third time lucky, we are going to push on. So if you're looking to take profit to accumulate, I would concentrate on this region here at 2 cent or maybe around 0.019. That could be a decent area to skim a little bit off. And then obviously we've got the all-time high up here at 2.5 cent. But what I want to do here is just have a look at a bit of a price prediction over this entire move. So we'll just look at this from the top of the move there to the bottom wick there. As you can see, that's where we bounced up. We come up, retested it, back down again. And let's have a look at some key levels above, because once we've done a full retracement of that entire move, we've got some nice levels above here. I've got 5 cent marked up because 5 cent is going to be a tough psychological area to get through as well. But if you're looking to take profit, use these fib extensions. You've got 3.2, 4, 4.4 cent, 5.2, 6.8, and then we have a big 618 up here at 0.09, so that's 9.3 cents. I think, in my opinion, over the course of this next 6 months, we will be heading above 20 cent at least. The project has not got going yet in terms of people being aware about a project, and I think it's still early. The market cap itself, we just take a look at that on CoinGecko, it's still classed as a low cap, ranked 540. Yeah, look at that, $62 million market cap, that's low. If you're looking at some of the other layer ones that are out there, you're talking billions. So this has a potential due to the just the great fundamentals. The scalability of this network is epic. So for me, now is just a great time to buy, to hold on for dear life. It's still low. $60 million for a crypto project is pretty much nothing. So that's that pair covered. We'll just take a quick look at the BTC pairing too. If you're wanting to buy some in the BTC pair, then we'll have a look at that region, if I can find it. There it is. So last time we looked at this, we was in a downtrend and we're waiting for a potential break to upside, and it has broke up. So now what we have done, if we look at this on the 4-hour time frame, we've actually broke out, come down, retested it, held that trend line, and now I think it's time to push on. Just be wary though, Bitcoin, I'm still expecting at least a 60k Bitcoin this month. If that does push on, Satoshi's in the in any altcoin pair will get butchered. So if you're looking for buys, I'd still target the bottom here at 250 sats. I think that could be a decent area for you to potentially load up. And if you're looking to take profit, I mean, this area here, look at all those trading candles within that range. That's going to be a tough area to get through as well. So that's around 370 to 380 sats. If you're buying down here, that could be a nice area to accumulate, sell there, buy back here, and then rinse and repeat. So that's that pretty much covered in terms of price analysis for Multivac, mainly concentrating on the US dollar pair there, but things are looking good. We've had a nice bounce back now, and in my opinion, it is a great time to buy now. Just want to finish off by taking a look at my Patreon here. This is something new for the channel. We have a private Discord server which has coin requests, access to my full library, chart requests. We're going to be doing monthly, or should I say weekly, calls, so we can do live chart analysis with anybody in the Discord server. Once we get over 20 members, we will be starting that, so we're very, very close to that now. And just general support. If you're new to cryptocurrency and you need tips or advice, I'm there to help out. So that's going to do it for today's video. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.